hit a lap and take off.
Yeah.
Like just hit it once.
It's free.
It's free and like it's so sick.
It's a good workout.
So like you just do it in the morning. Like you could do like up, down, and just like take off.
I'd love to incorporate that into our normal round of
yeah. Like
outdoor activity.
Outdoor shenanigans.
We got to get y'all on the con skim.
Yeah.
that was seriously fun. That was seriously fun. Huge weight, but totally worth it.
This one's super flowy downhill.
Okay. I'll follow you.
Alright, bet. Stay in control.
Yep. Drop will lose you.
Dude,
thank you for the heads up.
I was like, holy cow, because like I like forked it.
Hey, you could easily go OTB on that.
Yeah, you like come out there. And
it would be tough too, because you'd be like max just.
and you go like downhill.
That would suck.
Like a little side-by-side.
What is this called? Jumping skills required? Say less.
This looks like a little like go-kart track.
Yeah, you want to just
I think it goes because this like goes right down the gravel road.
You want to just breeze it, take a
Yeah.
look at it, and then hit it on the next road? That little double drop down there again, though. Dang, that is so sick.